Let me show you how you can make this date syrup at the comfort of your kitchen. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making date syrup. First you need a clean bowl, then some dates. For this recipe I use 500-gram pitted dates. Then you add enough boiled water to clean the dates from any sand. After which you mix everything together so that the sand can go down, then you have a clean dates. As you can see, my dates are seedless. This is what is needed for this recipe. Then you sieve into a pot. And then you add enough water to cook the dates on low flame. Cover and let it simmer for some minutes. After cooking for about 5 minutes, the dates are now soft and ready to be used. Use either a dough masher or a potato masher to mash the dates into puree. Use a cheesecloth and a sieve to extract the liquid from the pulp. It will take time to extract all the juice from the pulp, so you have to be patient at this time. Please don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipe, and let me know in the comment section if you'll be making your date syrup. Now for the pulp, don't trash it. You can use it for any recipe that calls for sweetener. You just have to blend and add it to your recipe. And it can be stored in the fridge for maximum 1 week. Now transfer the extracted liquid into a pot and simmer on low heat until the water evaporates. do not forget to always stir while it cooks. As it cooks, you'll see the change in color. Now our date syrup is ready. Now allow the syrup to cool down before storing it. Now allow it to cool down completely before transferring it into a jar. For the date syrup, you can use it for any recipe that calls for sweetener. For example, pancakes, cakes, muffins. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on my next video. Bye.